Just look at these little bundles of fluff. Those twitchy noses, those long ears, and that unbelievably soft fur. Honestly, they might be some of the cutest animals on the planet. Every little hop feels like a tiny dance, and the way they sit there, nibbling on fresh greens, it's almost too adorable to watch. But here's the thing, rabbits aren't just cute, they're clever, curious, and always ready to explore. Digging, sniffing around, even playing with toys. There's always something going on. And when they flop over for a nap, wash their little faces, or snuggle up close to a friend, it just melts your heart. Seriously, aren't they the cutest?